Hey guys, it's me, Colin, and today I'm gonna build an ambulance here. This is an Empress Ambulance. These are the ones that service this Westchester County area. And maybe like a week or two ago, there was one right up the street in front of the laundromat because someone was like hurt or injured, sick or something like that. And for me, there are two categories of ambulances. This is what I like to call a box ambulance. I'm sure you can tell because the back part looks like a box. And then the other category is a van. You know, the van ones. They look like vans.
Yeah.
So now, some of the features on this ambulance, we've got that little, we've got these little lights here in the front on top of the cab, and if you lift this up, we've got a stretcher, a seat for the paramedic or nurse or whatever, or whoever's in there. And then we've got a little couch so that they don't get flung around while the ambulance is driving like 60 miles per hour or something like that. And then if you kind of like look in there, you can see the front. Not much to it, just a steering wheel. Hang on, I've got to get a Lego person. So, say someone's injured. Oh no, gotta rush them, get the bed out. You can just easily pop the bed off. And there it is. The paramedic is sitting back there. The driver is gonna be up here driving the ambulance. Again, I just like to call these box ambulances because it looks like a box in the back. Oh. So we've got some lights that are in that triangular form. If you ever seen one of these ambulances, you'll know about these that light pattern. And that's it for today's ambulance. Bye.